Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can remove emoji from your photo using PicsArt. Okay, let's get into it guys. First of all, I'm going to open up my PicsArt application on my mobile phone. And then I'm going to create a new project on PicsArt. So I'm going to click on this plus icon and then I'm going to select one of photo from my gallery. I'm going to select photo from this folder, and for example guys, I'm going to remove emoji from this photo. Okay, I'm going to remove this emoji, and if we want to remove emoji or an object from our photo, we can use remover. You can scroll all the way to the right until you find remove menu. Okay, and here you can customize the brush size. I'm just going to make it bigger like this, and then you can draw on the object you want to remove. Since I want to remove this emoji from my photo, so I can select my emoji like this, and then I'm going to activate the AI remove to make the result better. Okay, once you're done, you can click on remove and just hold on guys. Now it's still processing. Okay, and as you can see guys, that the emoji has been removed from my photo, and click on the check mark, and then if you want to save it, you can click on this icon. Okay, and then you can choose the format. You can save it as JPG or PNG or PDF, and I'm just going to save as a JPG. Okay, then you can choose the quality, and I'm just going to click on save. Okay, and now this video has been saved to my gallery, and I know guys that this trick maybe will not work on the type of the photo, because if the emoji is on the face, it will not work perfectly, or if the emoji is here, I think the result will not look good. So the emoji should be placed on the clear background so it will come out perfectly, but you can try it with remover on PicsArt. Okay guys, and that's all the way to remove emoji from photo using PicsArt. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and if you found this tutorial useful, don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel. Bye.